Welcome to The Integrity. Today I've got some exciting news for all you handheld gaming enthusiasts out there. Best Buy is offering a massive $200 discount on the Asus ROG Ally Z1 Extreme, bringing the price down to just $449.99. That's right, this beats even Black Friday deals. Plus, this deal includes a free ROG Ally travel case, 1 month of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and 2 months of Crunchyroll MegaFan. So, what makes the ROG Ally Z1 Extreme so special? Let's talk specs. It features an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme CPU, 16 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD, all packed behind a stunning 7-inch 1080p 120Hz display. Unlike the Steam Deck, this bad boy runs on Windows 11, giving you access to a plethora of game launchers like Steam, Battle.net, Xbox Game Pass, Epic Game Store, and more. But hold on, the competition is heating up. The Lenovo Legion Go S with an AMD Ryzen Z2 Go and 32 GB of RAM is out there for $729. There's also a more affordable $599 Windows SteamOS version launching in May 2025. And let's not forget the Asus ROG Ally X, which hit the market in late 2024 with even better performance, but it'll cost you an extra $300. According to IGN's review, the ROG Ally is a fantastic portable Xbox Game Pass machine. They loved its bright 1080p screen and powerful specs. However, they did mention some drawbacks like a frustrating user experience and poor battery life. So, is the ROG Ally Z1 Extreme worth it at $449.99? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Check out the link in the description for more details on this deal. Thanks for watching The Integrity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming news and deals. See you next time.